Okay. So to begin, we need to create a folder somewhere where we want to save our data for the other Chrome instances. And I have created I created the Chrome directories in my documents, and I have 3 instances other than the default one, which is this one is the default one, and I have logged in with my work account. And I have the other 3 instances that you can see here. For example, this is my personal one, and this is the Abanid one, which opened in another screen. And you can see that I have only one person here. If I open the trial one, you can see that I have different personas for each one of your users, let's say, that were for the training period. Now, if we have created a directory somewhere that we want to use to create another instance of Chrome, we can use a flag, which can be specified in a URL in a shortcut like this. Let me just copy this and create a new shortcut of Chrome, and this is my test. And now I want to have this as a new instance, so I will add the flag and call it test. The flag is like this, user-data-dir, and equals, and the path where you want to save your this is Chrome directories that I have created, and another directory where I want to save these files. So if I open test, you can see that Chrome has now created another folder for these files, and this is a new instance of Chrome, meaning that if I'm logged in this instance has no knowledge of what my other accounts are. And if I go and see the personas here, which I've shown you for my trial instance, I have only one person here. So for example, I want to log in with Google user 1, and now I will not log in, but let's say with this person I'm logged in with user 1, and here I'm logged in with my work account. So I have 2 logins in parallel, which don't mess, let's say, with others sessions. They are separated. And if we see the task manager, there are actually 2 instances of the Chrome exe. So if I go to details of this, go to process, I have 45 megabytes of memory. If I go to this one process, it's 58. It's another instance. So they are really separated. It's not a trick. It's 2 instances, 2 execution of the same exe. And now what other can we do is that, for example, we create a new instance for one project we are working on, and we have 2 or 3 different environments with different users. For example, we have the development environment, and we have a dev user. Then we have the quality assurance environment, and we have another user. For example, we have user 1 for the development and user 2 for quality assurance, but we want to log in at both environments at the same time. So what we should do is use the personas feature, which we can use from here, the icon, manage people, and add a new person. This is quality assurance, and ninjas do the job. So now we have on the same instance of Chrome, we have two different persons. And we can see, I didn't go in before, but if I go in here, I have a profile one now, which is the different person. I have the default, which is the first one. This one is the default, and I have the profile one, which is this other person I created. And this is the two features that I wanted to explain to you, and I think you should use to avoid logging out and logging in to the system, because you need to log in with the Teams account and then with the Dynamics trial account and so on. Any question?